If you have a question, you want an answer. Not a download, not a phone number, and not a ticket submission. Sure, all of these channels are necessary, but at some point, most customer questions have succinct, deliverable answers. And the problem is, these answers are embedded in your long-form content. And most customers don't have the patience to dig those answers out, so they either contact you or they go somewhere else. You want to create content in a way that's optimized for the strategic use of your limited resources. And that's why you should consider microcontent in easyDITA. Now, there's plenty of names for microcontent, but the point of this methodology is that the content is created as self-contained, to-the-point, modular blocks of knowledge. And that's what easyDITA is all about. Our users see awesome ROI, faster time to market, reduced call volumes, and happier customers, but at the end of the day, all of those things are really just trickle-down effects of microcontent properly executed. But it's not just creating smaller chunks of content. In easyDITA, you're creating these chunks within specialized containers. You can think of them like templates for different uses. Actually, each container is optimized for a different purpose, with all of the necessary schema and structure built in. There's a general purpose container, but there's also uniquely specialized ones for things like references, definitions, learning assessments, how-to guides, anything you need. Now, these blocks, they have incredible flexibility. They're better for management and findability, they're cheaper for translation, and formatting is automated for fast publication. Content versatility unlocked with easyDITA.